Okay, now we're going to go over student engagement. 221 students responses, fourth and fifth graders, 118 fourth graders responded, and 101 fifth graders responded. Research shows that a connection exists between student engagement and academic achievement. Implementing personalized learning practices increases in student engagement. Ultimately, improving student engagement, particularly agentic and cognitive engagement, will drive gains in academic outcomes. Okay, the overall engagement, we have 37% highly engaged, 50% engaged, and somewhat 10% somewhat engaged, and 2% slightly engaged. The first category is agentic engagement or student agency. This reveals how much students feel that they have a choice in their learnings, with 24% highly engaged, 14% engaged, 40% somewhat engaged, and 21% slightly engaged. This is one area in which we need to improve. Behavioral engagement is the next category, which 88% is highly engaged, where students report they prepare to participate in class, they have strong work ethics, and they follow the rules, preparation, participation, and work ethics. Cognitive engagement, how the students think about their learning, goes with 31% engaged, 52% engaged. Although this is not an area of weakness, we would like to move many of those students who are engaged to highly engaged, and 14% that's engaged. Emotional engagement, where students enjoy the interest and are excited about school and their learning, is an overall 74% engaged and 16% engaged. And once again, is 221 students who participated in this survey, fourth and fifth graders.